Welcome back to our channel, guys. In this video we are going to start our new chapter number 2, polynomials of maths. So in previous maths video we have done chapter number 10, Heron's formula, in one shot, and we have also done chapter number 11, surface area and volume, with how the equations of surface, volume, cone, cylinder, hemisphere, this has been came. Okay, we have also read them, and we have done the chapter in two parts. In part 1 we have done whole exercise 11.1 with all the formulas of sphere, hemisphere, cone and cylinder. And in part 2 we have done how the formula has been came, and how the formula has been came and how to derive them. And also we have done the 11.1, 11.2, 3 and 4. So in this video we are going to start our new chapter of maths, chapter 2, polynomials. In this video there are two parts of this chapter. The part 2 will be on 2.4. So students, 2.4 is quite hard and lengthy, so I have put it in part 2, because if I will put in the part 1 the video will become 1.5 hour or 2 hour. So in part 1 we will do 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3, and 2.4 we will do in part 2. Okay, 2.4 we will do in part 2. And I know that I want to suggest something. If you want to score high, so do more practice of 2.3 and 2.4, because in exam 2.3 and 2.4 are most IMP chapters. 2.3 and 2.4 are most IMP topics, sorry, not chapter, topics. 5 to 6 mark question will be asked from these topics. I am giving a definite guarantee to you. Okay, so let's continue with our 2.1. Okay students, let's start with our exercise 2.1. Okay, 2.1 was too easy. 6th or 7th standard student can also solve this question. It was so easy. So we will complete in 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so let's see what is first question. In first question they have said you have to identify which of the factor are 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable or 4 variable. What is mean by variable? X, Y, Z, A, B, etc. which are putted. Let's take example. This. Okay, no, this. The variable of x square is, or coefficient. This is known as variable. Variable, where you can find out the alphabet or any letter. Variable, it will be known as variable. So they have said you have to identify if there is a variable or not. Okay, so in first and second there are 4x square minus, you can see 4x square. Yeah, I hope that you all have textbook. 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Okay, so here x plus x, so only one variable is there, only one variable. And in second, only y square plus root 2, only y square is there, so number 2 will be also one variable. Now on 3 you can find out there is t, but it will not the variable, because you can see that there is a root sign, under root sign is on t, so it will be not variable. So 3. And in 4 you can see, 2 upon the variable is upon, variable is in upon. If the variable will present upside and this, so we can return as y is polynomial, but here they have written 2 upon y, so this will be not polynomial. Okay, the variable is at the downside, so both are not variable, because here the root sign is present and here the variable is at the down. Okay, so both are not variable. And fifth number, you can see x power 10 plus 3 y power 3 plus t power 50. So there are three variables x, y and t. So it is known as three variable. Now let's continue with question number 2. In question number 2, what they have said, we have to find the coefficient. What is meant by coefficient? If they have said coefficient of y, and you have given the equation y square plus 1y plus 0. So what will be the coefficient? You can see here the y is present, but square is also there, and square is a part of y. So we will not count as a variable. But here y is alone, and in the front of y there is 1. So 1 is the coefficient of y. 1 is the coefficient of y. Okay, so we have to find a coefficient of x square. So here x square is there, and in the front of x square you can know. Okay, here the plus sign is there. Okay, here the x square plus 2. Okay, here 2 plus x square plus x. So in the front of x square there is no type of number or anything, so we will put plus 1. And then downwards you can see that 2 minus x square plus x cube. So here cube is there, so we will not count it. 2 we will not count it. Here the x square is there but minus, and there is no number, so we will put minus 1. See students, if a number if a variable is written alone, it means the 1 is present at the front of it. Okay, so let's move ahead on 3 number. Root upon pi upon 2 x square and x plus x. So what will be the coefficient of x square? Pi upon 2. And in the fourth number you can see that root 2x plus 1. In this equation there is no x square, so the coefficient will be not. So answer is our 0. Now let's see question number 3. They have said we have to give the example of binomial and monomial. What is binomial, trinomial and monomial? Let's see. Monomial means of only one variable and coefficient which come 50x monomial. Okay, binomial in which two things are coming, 50x minus 4y. In trinomial 4x square minus 2y plus 1x. Okay, here the 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, okay, here y. Okay, 1 only. 1, 2, 3. 3 coefficients are present, so it will known as trinomial. Polynomial means in which we are going to talk polynomials. The 4 numbers are present. Let's take an example, x square minus 3y plus 2 plus, okay, here cube plus 0. No, not 0, but 10. Okay, here you can see 4x square minus 3y, 2 cube and 10. Okay, let's write it clearly. Here you can see there are four numbers, 4, 3, 2, 10. So it is known as polynomial. So we have to give the example of binomial as well as the example of monomial, and which in the binomial carrying a degree of 35 and the monomial carrying a degree of 100. Okay, so in binomial we can write 4x 35 minus 2. Okay, just we have to put two numbers, so we can put like that now, 4x in power 35 and 2. Okay, and the example of monomial is 35. What is 35? 35 power 100. Yes students, we have to give the example of binomial and monomial. The binomial example is 4x power 35 minus 2, and the example of monomial is 35 power 100. So let's see question 4 and question 5. Question 5 was too easy. I am just explaining. You have to do homework. Question number 5, in which they have given the linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Let's first of all understand what is cubic, what is linear and what is quadratic. Okay, let's take an example. Let's take an example of exercise only. X square minus x. Okay, first of all, I give you one idea. 3t okay. So in the equation you can find out that on only coefficient and the variable is present. If there is not written any type of power, so it means it will power will be 1. Power will be always 1 if there is not written 0. So here the what they say, in which the power is 1, so you will write linear equation, and in which you can find out here square. If you will find out there is square, you will write quadratic, and in the last one over here you can see x minus x cube. So if you find out the x cube is present, you will write cubic. So you can I hope that you all understand that if there is power is 1, so you will write linear. If the power is 2, so you will write, oh, that is not matter that power is belong to a last or a first or a middle. If you find out that only power is present and you have to find the linear, quadratic or cubic. If you find square, you have to just return the cubic quadratic. And if you find that there is cube is present, that means power is 3, you have to write cubic. Okay, I am giving question number exercise 5 in the homework. Let's see the question 4. So what is question 4 is saying? What is question 4 is saying? In first equation, they have said we have to find the degree. What is meant by degree? Degree is meant by the power present on the variable. So we have to find the degree of each of the polynomial. And students, you are confused that in the first place there is degree is 3 and or you can say the power is 3 and in second power is 2. So what we will write? If we will plus or we will put 3 or 2. No students, you don't have to plus or you don't have to put like that. You have to just remember, if there is power is bigger than that another power, you will put only the bigger power. That means here you will put 3. I am giving one example. 4x degree is 5 or power is 5 plus x cube plus 1. So what you will write here? You will write 5. Okay, you will write 5 because the highest power or highest degree is 5. So here the highest degree and power is 3. So let's do second number, and remaining 2 I am giving in homework. Okay, remaining 2 I am giving in homework. Let's do third number. 5t minus root 7. Here you will be confused that here the not any type of degree is given, so we will write 0. No students, here you can see that here the variable is present. Variable, what is meant by variable? T, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, that is meant by variable. Here the variable is present, it means 1 will be always present. If there is variable and number is power or degree is not given, so always 1 will be present. So degree is 1. And in fourth number, they have said 3. Here the not variable is present. Variable is not present over here, so we will write 0. It will carry 0 charge. Okay, so we have done our exercise 2.1. We have done exercise 2.1. Let's quickly move ahead to exercise 2.2. Okay, let's quickly move ahead. So students, we are on question number 1 of exercise 2.2. Okay, so let's see in a question number 1 what it was saying. And I want to tell something. In question number 1, I am just doing question number I have done whole question number 1, and question number 2 I am doing only one question. Remaining 3 you have to do in your homework. Okay, this chapter and especially 2.2 and 2.3 you have to practice a lot, and 2.4 is the highest practice needed topic. Okay, highest needed topic. So let's move ahead. Let's see exercise 2.2 question 1. Okay, so in question 1 they have given equation of 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So we have to put 0 in a place of x, minus 1 in a place of x, and 2 in a place of x. You have to do in a form of equation for a 3 type. In a first step you have to put 0 in a place of x, so it means 5 you will put x, minus 4 you will put x, plus 3. So 5 0 minus 4 0 square plus 3, it means 0 minus 0 plus 3, answer is 3. Then here x is equal to minus 1, you have to put minus 1 in a place of x. So if you will put minus 1 in a place of x, you will get minus 5, minus 4 and plus 3. Students, see here the 2 is present. Okay, 2 is present, it will, here the minus 1 is present. There is 2 and here minus 1 is present. Okay, minus 1 is present. So when you multiply minus 1 into minus 1, you will get 1, and 1 into 4 4, and plus sign will be carry over here, and 3 plus minus minus. Okay, so don't confuse in that. Plus minus 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 plus. Okay, so answer will be minus 6. In question, in third portion, you have to put 2. So 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 3 over here. When we will minus 10 minus 16 minus 6, minus 6 minus 3 minus 3. We have completed question number 1. Let's move on the question number 2. Here they have given the equation y square minus y plus 1, and they have in a question they have said we have to find the 3 value of we have to put 0 in the place of y, 1 in a place of y, and 2 in a place of y. We have to find 3 equations of only one question. So let's first of all see of 0. When you will put 0, all the variables become 0, and the only answer you will get 1. Then when you will put 1 in a place of y, you will get plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will cut, and the answer will be 1. Then when you put 2 in a place of x, that means you have put in a place of y. It means that you are putting 2 in a place of y, that means 2 square minus 2 plus 1, 4 minus 2 plus 1. So you will get answer 3. Okay, we have question number, I have just given first answer of first question. Remaining 3 you have to do in your homework. Now as well as in question number 3, I am just doing a question. Okay, question 7 is little bit hard, and question 6 is little bit hard. So let's first of all do it. You have to put just like this. They have given the value of x. So see in the textbook, In the first equation, they have given x is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Second equation, x is equal to 4 upon 3. In third equation, they have given two things, x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1. And as well as 4, they have given x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2. So here they have given the value of x, and you have to put the value on a place of x, and you have to simplify it. I am just doing question 7 and 6 because they are little bit hard. Okay, and question 8 is easy, question 5 is very easy, and question 4, 3, 2, 1 all are easy. Just 7 and 6 are little bit confusing, so let's do it. What it was saying about. Okay, you have to practice this chapter a lot, and you will be a score. This is scoring chapter, so you will score higher in this chapter. So let's quickly see question 3rd, 7 number. And I am also telling you that after this video you are be master in the chapter number 2, polynomials. Okay, so px is equal to 3x square minus 1. We have to put two values, we have to find two answers. We have to put root 3 and also x is equal to 1 upon 2 upon root 3. Okay, so let's put it. P is equal to, first of all we will put 1 upon root 3 x 1 upon root 3 square. Students, I have explained in the chapter number 10, if there is root sign is present on the value, and if we multiply value of root 2 times, you will get that value, and it will not increase. That means 3 1 3, root 3 become 3, 3 cut plus okay, so answer will be, what is the answer? Answer is 0. And when you will put x x is equal to, when you will put 2 upon root 3, you will get 2 upon root 3 square minus 1. So students, 2 into 2 4. Here the 2 is also present, so you will multiply 2 times. Cut minus 1. Here you will get answer 3. See students, how easy it is. And let's quickly see question number 6, because it was also a little bit hard. Okay, I have written question 3, that is my mistake. That is question 7. Question 6. So in question 6, we have to find answer only for one time. Lx plus m. P is equal to, we have to put minus m upon L. So what we will put? L in a bracket minus m and L plus m. You have to just multiply it, minus, okay, L cut plus m. So minus m cut plus m cut. Answer will be 0. Okay. So here the solution of 7 and 6. You have to do remaining 6 sums in a homework. Okay. In this chapter you have to do a practice and practice. If you watching my video and if you understand the one equation or one question and doing the remaining in the homework, you are going to be master in this chapter. See friend, you have to do a practice in the maths a lot of practice is needed in maths. Okay, so you have to do practice in this chapter. Okay, in question number 4 was also too easy. Let's see what is saying. I am just doing question number 7 and question number, okay, I am doing question 5 and 7. So let's do 5. because if I will do 5, you will get idea how to do it. They have given px minus 3x. Now most of them are wrong. They are thinking that they have not given any value to, we have to put in a place of x. We have to find the 0. They have said find the 0. So what we will do, simply we will add 0 is equal to, then 3 is in multiply, it will come in a divide, x is equal to 0. We have to just put extra 0. So let's see what is question number 7. Question number 7 is px is equal to cx plus d, and in which c and d are real numbers. C and d are real numbers. So what we will do? We will just add 0. D will come over, it will become minus, and C will go downstairs. Okay, here is our answer. Okay, this is just 2 solutions. Okay, not 6, 0. Here the 2 solutions I have given. You have to solve the whole exercise on the basis of these 2 equations. Okay, so here our exercise 2.2 is over. Let's move with exercise 2.3. And in 2.3, I am giving the IMP questions. You have to do lot practice of question 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2 are not easy. 1, 2 are same like this. 1, 2 are same of this. Okay, 1, 2 are same of this. So I am just doing a 1 question of question 1, 1 question of question 2, and 2 question of question 3, 2 question of 4 and 2 question of 5. Okay, so let's begin with it. So students, here a question number 1 of part 1. Okay, question number 1, equation 1. In this video, in this question they have said we have to find out the factors of x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 by using this equation. But whenever they have given plus, you have to become minus. That means here x plus 1, so you will put x is equal to minus 1. I am giving that how they have minus 1. Put 0 over here. Remember, find 0. 0 minus will come over here. X is equal to minus 1. And if they have given minus 1, what you will do? 0, 1, 1. Okay, students, plus 1. Plus. So we have to put, here they have given x plus 1 is a factor. So we will put minus 1 in a place of x. So let's see. Minus 1 cube, minus 1 square, minus 1 plus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1. I have written minus 1 because there is cube. Minus 1, minus 1. So it will become plus 1. Okay, minus 1, minus is equal to plus. Minus, that means minus plus, and 1 plus minus, that means minus. So this will become plus and this minus. So answer will be plus minus. Okay, so here minus will be here plus 1. It will plus minus minus 1 plus 1. So cut. So answer will be 0. Okay, you have to do the same method in all the question of question number 1. Let's quickly see question number 2. Hello students, in question number 2 of exercise 2.3, we have to find the factor of x plus 1, x plus, they have given x is equal to x plus 1, x is equal to x plus 3, x plus 2, x plus minus 1 is equal. You can They have given that in the textbook. First of all, let's see question 2 of part 1. Okay, part 1 of question 2. So in this, they have said x is equal to -1. They have said x plus 1, so answer will be x minus 1. That I have derived that over here. X is equal to -1, so we will put in a place of x minus 1. So x 2 in a place of x minus 1 plus sorry guys, -1 square minus 2 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so -2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. So this will cut, this will cut. -1 minus 1 will cut. Okay, plus 1 minus 1 will cut. So answer will be 0. Answer will be 0. So I am giving remaining 2 sums in homework. Okay, so let's quickly see what is question number 3. Question number 3 was also easy. We have to find k only. Let's see. So students, in question number 3 they have given the factor x is x minus 1. So answer will be x is equal to 1. I have shown on that in a question number 1 of 2.3. So let's start. X is equal to 1, so we will put 1 in the place of x. After putting 1, you will get plus 1 and k. Then you have to add 0 here also. Find 0. Okay, 1 will go over here. -2, k is equal to -2. Like this sum, all sum you have to do in the homework. They have given the factor. Just you have to put the value in a place of x or in a y and in any variable. They have given it in any variable. You have to find the k, value of k. You have to just put the value of x in a place of x and take the value in the right side and keep the k in the left side and solve the equation. You will get k is equal to -2, and answer of first part is k is equal to -2. The answer of 3, 2, 1 is different. Okay, so let's quickly move ahead. Question number 4. Question number 4 and 5 is little bit hard, so I will do 2 questions and remaining 2 you have to do in your homework. So students, we are on question number 4 of part 2.3 and question number 4 of 1 and 2. Let's do. You have to factorize 12. 12 is come in 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Okay, so these are the two factors. There are many factors. Okay, 12 into 1, etc. factor are there. So we have to find the factor of 12 first of all. So we have find this two factor and we have to see. Okay, here plus sign is there. We have to see 7 is there, and at the back side there is plus. So which number is that which you multiply, it will give 12, and when you plus it you will get 7. That means 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Yes, okay, this will become plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. It cannot be. So we will take 4 into 3. So 12x square minus 4x plus minus. Okay, sorry students, plus minus 3x plus 1. So we have to take out the common factors. So what will be the common factors? Okay, 4x, 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1, here the minus 1. Okay, so we will take 4x minus 1 and 3x minus 1. Yes, this is the answer. So students, see how easy it is. Let's do this. You are confused that here 3 and 2 is present. So you will multiply 3 into 2 into 3. You will get 6. We will get 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So which number is that in which 6 is coming, and when you will plus, the 7 will also come. 3 into 2, 6, but it will, when you plus it will give 5. 6 into 1, 6. When you plus, you will get 7. So 2x square plus, what you will put, 6x plus x plus 3. So we have to take out the common factor, 3x. Students, see, here you will write 1 plus 3 or x plus 3 as it is. You have to write over here. Okay, so that is a trick, not trick but idea. 2x, and here you will get 1. So you have to take 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 and x plus 3. So here we have done question number 4, and remaining 2 you have to do in the homework. Okay students, we are on question number 5. Okay, let's do. I'm doing 2 questions and different type, and remaining 2 are same on that 2. Okay, so let's quickly do. Okay, just follow me. Okay, first of all, let's do this. Here we have to just split. In the previous question number 4, we have to split the following equation that we have done so easily, but here also split, but that is cube. So how will we do it? Just follow me and just focus on the board. First of all, take out the factor, 2x plus 2, x cube minus 2x square. So I am getting the factor x minus 2, x minus 2, and when you will minus multiply minus 1 into x minus 2, you will get minus x and plus 2. Okay, and when you multiply x square into, student, wait for 2 minutes. So students, here when you multiply x square x minus 2, so you will get x cube minus x square 2x square. So you have to take out the factor of it. Okay, so when you factorize, you have to take x square and minus 1. Here you will take it, and this x minus 2 and x minus 2 you will put over here. Now you can see that a square is there in bracket. So what you will do, you will take out the factor of that bracket. That means if there is a square, x square minus 1, so we will write x minus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 2. You have to take out the three term, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, in the previous question number 4, you are getting three term. Let's do a last question of this exercise. Now remaining 2 are I'm giving you homework. First of all, start with here. Okay, when there is easy number, you can see 20, 32, 13x. Here the different numbers are there, but here 2x. So you can easily factorize that, because the directly number x, this 2 and this 2, they both are factor of that both can easily factorize. Okay, but in this question, that x cube 13x, so there is no chance of easily. So we have to do in step by step. Okay, so don't apply this trick over here. You can do, okay, first of all I explain that you have to do 20. You have taken 20, then you have to write as it is 20 and take out the factor of this 32. So 12 plus 20, 32. So you have to put the x. Now what is 13? X. So 12 plus x is equal to 13. You have to put square over here and cube. Okay, so what we have to do? Okay, so here you have 12, written 12. So as it is, you will write 12, but one x will be there, one square will be there. Okay, now we have to take 13. So what we will do? We will plus x square. We will plus x square and x cube will be as it is. Okay. So now take out the factor. I am getting x plus 1, x plus 1 and x plus 1. If you write return x plus 1, you have to write x plus 1, x plus x plus 1. That is trick. Okay. Plus 12x plus 20. So what will be it? X plus 1. Okay. So you will take x square plus 12x plus 20. And here you will write, you will split it. Okay. X square and 10x plus 2x plus 20. Why I have taken 10 plus 2? Because when you multiply 10 into 2, you will get 20, and when you will plus, you will get 12. Okay, so x plus 1, x will come out, x plus 10, as it is x plus 10. Then what you will do? Plus 2. Now take this 2 and this 2. Okay, we have get answer. Okay, my marker is over. So I hope that you are able to see the answer. Here the 10 is it. अरे यार वो खतरनाक है. Shouldn't wait for it. Okay, here the answer. Should wait for 2 minutes. There is some disturbance. So students, here we have done question number 5 of in which part 1 2 questions we have done of question number 5. Both are different, but remaining 2, one of is this method and one of this method. You can find out the answer of this question number 2 by solving in this way. You can take out the answer of question 2 by solving in a way of question 1. But if you don't want to get tired and don't want to do method like 1 2 3 4 5 6, you don't have to do 6 steps. You have to complete in a 3 steps easily. So you can do this method. But here the factor can be easily take out. But here the factor cannot be easily take out. If the number is given in this way, you can take the method like this. And if the number is given in this way, you have to do this trick only. Okay, so I hope that you have liked the video, and this is the part 1 of this video. We have done 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 with all the sums and some questions I have given in the homework also. So in part 2 we are going to do 2.4. Okay, whole 2.4 I will explain you in part 2. Thanks for watching. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत.